The Mass of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church at Paroda on Sunday witnessed dispute between two groups over the date of the annual feast of the church. Here is a report.
The Sunday Mass witnessed a lot of chaos and confusion. Every year, Feast of Immaculate Church is being celebrated in the month of May, but last year it was celebrated on 8th of December. Some of the parishioners says that it should be celebrated on 8th of December according to the liturgical calendar.
आणि dogma प्रमाणे हे फेस्ट लिटुर्जिकली ते 8 तारखेर डिसेंबराचे जावंकूच जाय. आख्या संवसाराक अशें आख्या गोंया पसून हे 8 तारखेर डिसेंबराचे जाता. फक्त पाड्डेच्या गांवांत कांय कारणां लागून फुडल्या तेंपार हे मायाच्या दुसऱ्या आयताराक जातालें. आयज आमची लिटुर्जी प्रमाणे इस्टर जाले उपरांत पास्कांचें फेस्त जाले उपरांत तें ट्रिनिटी हेजें फेस्त जावप पसून खंयच्याय सांताचें खंयच्याय सायबिणीचें फेस्त करूंक आयताराचें जायना.
We want it in December because it is the dogma of the church. Our patron is Our Lady of Immaculate Conception and the day of Immaculate Conception is December 8th. So we want it on the proper date and people have accepted this renewal. So we want to know, after the majority of the people have accepted the renewal, 83% are there, the majority people are there for December 8th, then why is it Bishop has asked us to, turn back to the darkness?
Voting was also done by parishioners to decide the annual feast date, in which 83% parishioners voted for December 8th feast. However, some parishioners claim that voting was bogus.
फेस्ट अंदू वर्सा आस्तेशन जातलें आनी येत्या वर्सा फुडें तुवें लोकांकडच्यान मिटींग घेवची, लोकांकडच्यान वचपास करची, आपल्याक पळोवच्यान करची घडये आनी तेन्ना आपूण ताका सारको निर्णय दितलो. इचीट बरें जातकीच पुरू मायाक आमी फेस्त केलें आनी फेस्त जातकीच आनी आज पासून मिटींग केन्ना घेवंकूच ना. पूण तरी आसतना लोकांनी आमी सगळे एकामेकान एक लेटर केलें करिशनरांनी की एक मिटींग घेवची आनी ते मिटींगेक आमी दाखयचो. तरी आसतना तेणें मिटींग घेतला सांगूंक लागलो की मिटींगेक एकावंट दिवपाचो जावंक ना, स्किमा येवंक ना, देखून ती मिटींग घेवपाक जावंक ना म्हणून. आनी दर्म्यान दीस पळयत नोव्हेंबरा म्हण तेणें तारीख नोविजनीचेर घायलें की डिसेंबरा म्हयन्याची माडी ही माडी आमी केन्ना कोनाय आनी एकूच फेस्ताक 2 माडी जायनाय.
This problem came 2 years back when Father Domingos entered this church. He said that a liturgical feast has to be done as per the church, that is 8th December. We accepted the truth and they did voting, they did voting to get whether it should be done on 8th December or in May. Okay, so first of all, voting cannot be done in the church. This is not assembly or this is not Indian government that we are doing voting over here. We are not come for voting over here. He did voting. Voting was done illegally, that is children, infants, 1-2 months children, even their voters vote. Do they know what is feast?
At last, it's annual feast of people, feast to celebrate among the people with joy and happiness. But people getting separated on the issue of date is showing some different angle of parishioners. Our reporter in Paroda, Mayur Naik.
On Sunday at around 1:15 p.m., a Transaero flight which was supposed to fly to Russia was damaged by another flight, Thomas Cook, which had just landed. Transaero flight had total 306 passengers who were later asked to stay back. Sources say that it will take at least 2 days for repairs. After this accident, the air traffic at Dabolim Airport was disturbed. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madgaikar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. At late night on Saturday, a Gada caught fire at Madgaon near police station. The person who was running the Gada claims a loss of 3.50 lakh rupees.
रात को करीबन 2-3 बजे
हमको मालूम पड़ा,
हमको सुबह 9 बजे मालूम पड़ा.
सुबह 9 बजे और फायर ब्रिगेड ने आके बुझाया.
फायर ब्रिगेड ने बुझाया.
आपको ही बुझाया?
हाँ.
अभी क्या है?
कंप्लेंट दी है. कंप्लेंट ने 4 बजे बुलाया है पंचनामा करने के लिए.
Goods included office and school stationery and a Xerox machine. The reason behind this incident is still not known. Our reporter from Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
SEZ Virodhi Manch held its meeting at Keri on Saturday. The meet was held to commemorate anniversary for SEZ Virodhi Andolan.
Present for the meet were Father Admitor Bello, convener of Jagrut Gaur Arvind Bhatikar, Snehalata Bhatikar, Pravin Sabnis and large number of villagers. Bhatikar, while addressing the villagers, said that the land should come back to the original owners.
SEZ गेले म्हणून कांयच ना वर्तमानपत्रांनी आयला सिप्ला अजुनी हांगा आसा मेडिटेप अजुनी हांगा आसा तांचे वॉचमॅन अजुनी हांगा आसा आनी भारत सरकारान ती ऑर्डर अजुनी दिवना ती हे लोक वच म्हणसर हे लोक फाल्यां समजा गेले भारत सरकारान ऑर्डर दिली जमीन खंय जमीन GIDCत आसा ती केरी गांवा कडेन ना GIDCत आसा GIDC कितें करतलो फाल्यां आनी कोणाकय दितलो 12 लाख तुमी घेया रे तुमी करा रे SEZ न्हय इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट म्हणटलो.
Pravin Sabnis, the spokesperson of SEZ, said that GIDC is trying to fool people of Goa.
पण सगळ्यात गरजेची गजाल म्हळ्यार ही जमीन जी आसा ही परत गावाकडे येवपाक जाय आनी ती गावाकडे जर येतली जाल्यार GIDCन पयलीं मानचें पडटलें की तांकां ह्या जमनीची गरज ना की तांकां गरज ना म्हणून ती आनी कोणाक दिता पूण ताणें सांगचें पडटलें सरकारान मान्य करचें पडटलें की जे कितें जाला SEZच्या नांवान तो घोटाळो आमी गोंयकार पिछे कशे आमी बोवाळ घालीत आसा की हांगा इंडस्ट्रीज येतल्यो हे फट इंडस्ट्रीज येतल्यो अशें ते सांगतात हांगा ते बांदूंक सोदतात ते फक्त व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंगी आनी पयशेकार लोकांक एका वेगळ्या गांवा भितर गांव देशा भितर देश बांदून तुमकां भायर दवरून आमकां भायर दवरून वेगळोच एक देश तयार करपाची गजाल चलता.
Later, flowers were offered to Budgam deity and Nilesh Naik Memorial, martyr of Nylon 6/6 agitation. Our reporter in Keri, Laukik Shilkar.
One of the accused serving life imprisonment at Sada tried to escape from the sub-jail. He has been imprisoned for last 18 years and has tried such stunts number of times. We bring you the details.
Assistant Superintendent of Sada Sub-Jail, Gajanan Parab, said that he has used a pen-sized metal rod for this act.
आमच्याकडे आता आम्ही बारीकशे आमकां हत्यार मेळ्ळेले आसात म्हणजे इल्लेशे इतले ह्या पेनाचे सायजी इतले ते आमकां मेळ्ळेले आसा आनी तो केन्ना केन्ना तो यूज करून टॉयलेटीन वचप म्हणटा ते बारीक 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 उदक मारप पयलीं फातराचेर त्या आनी ते मोडून दवरपाक ट्राय करप आनी जाले ते मोडून दवरून एरिया काडल्या उपरांत ताका मागीर आमी तो ताका साबण लावन ताणें पॅक केल्लें आसा आनी ते कळना ते हो खरेंच फोडलेलें आसा की ना ते.
Law says that life prisoner is sentenced for minimum 14 years of jail, but Hitler Fernandez has been staying for more than 18 years.
पण 14 वर्सां इज अ मिनिमम सेंटेन्स तेणी सफर जाल्या उपरांत आमी तेचे रिकमेंडेशन करून एक कमिटी आसता तेंचे कडेन आमी ते धाडटात आनी थंयसान डिसिजन जाता टू बी रिलीज ऑर नॉट टू बी रिलीज म्हणून ते डिसिजन घेवन मागीर गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वयता गव्हर्मेंटाची मागीर ऑर्डर येता आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी ताका रिलीज करता आफ्टर 14 years.
The complaint in this regard has been already filed to Deputy Collector, but due to weekend, this matter is on hold at present. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.